Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up parental control on POCO F6 Pro. So you have to start by opening your settings application and then scroll down. Now click on Google and then click on Children and Family and now click on Parental Controls. Then click Get Started and select Child or Teenager. Now click Next and click on Add or Create Account for your child. Now you have to enter your child's email address. Then click Next. And now you have to enter your child password. Then click I agree. Now click Accept. And then you have to select your account. And here you have to enter your parent email address. Then click Next. And here you have to enter your parent password. Now you have to scroll all the way down, and here you have to enter your child password once again. Now click Next, and here scroll down, and click Next again. Now click Next, and here you can click Install Family Link, or you can click Skip, and then click Skip again. And now click on Review Controls, and that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.